Good morning. This time we will make two recipes to satisfy any type of craving. The first recipe I made was a flan. To make this dessert, you need the following ingredients: some eggs, condensed milk, evaporated milk, and sugar. Please wash your hands before you start. Anyways,
First, we put 5 big tablespoons of sugar in the mold, trying to spread it all over the mold. Then we put the mold on the stove. Please remember to add your sugar every ounce in way. While the sugar is candy, we will put 9 eggs in the blender, add and evaporate milk. I would recommend you not to boil. Add the milk evaporate in the blender only half for a better texture of the flan. Once liquid, we put everything in the mold removed from the stove smoke.
then we will heat the main mahe. We will have to touch it with a toothpick or a knife to know if the flan is ready. If we see that come out clean means that you can already unmount the flan. The other recipe we made was horchata water. For this prepared and horchata water, we will need the following ingredients: half a cup of long grain rice, 5 cups of warm water. Some recommend that I can tell you is that the water is almost hot so that you can grind the rice better. Of natural vanilla extract, a cup of ice cubes, a cup of skimmed evaporated milk. Well, let's get started. We will start by washing our hands since why then we will grate the ice. Why the hell a strainer rinse the ice in cold water 2 to 3 times. Then blend the ice in the water and let it rest for 2 hours or a while night. After the established time, blend the avoid again together with this. Then strain it very well, squeezing it over the strainer. Finally, add the binary, the ice cubes, and the cup of evaporated milk. Add the amount of sugar you preference, the sweetening it, serve the mixture in the glass and enjoy it.
I considered that the flan was very sweet and it needed a little more milk. In any case, it was very tasty. I have it an 8 out to the 10.
In my honest opinion, the receta water was very simple and also very sweet. I think a few more ice cubes would make the drink refreshing and delicious for the hot weather.